What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Skimask Pnut token. Ticker symbol is Skinut. Now this token is trending #1 right now in the base section on DEX Screener, doing very well this token today. This token was created on Moonshot. You could tell because there's that Moonshot emblem there besides the name there. So trending #1. They've been promoting themselves today on DEX Screener with ads. They have a $1 million market cap right now and $1.2 million 24-hour trading volume. So very popular project. Just came out a couple days ago. We're going to go over the information on the Skimask Pnut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. And it is at Skinut on Base. I'm also going to, let's see here. So this token actually, you can find it if you're looking for it on Base Scan. You can find the chart and the price on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And they also have a Telegram. Now their Telegram is at Skimask Pnut. 196 subscribers. The Skimask Pnut portal. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, partnerships, memes, all that fun stuff. And same with their Twitter right here at Skinut on Base on Twitter. Blue verified check mark. You can see it has a link to their Telegram, their DEX Screener chart, and their webpage all on the Twitter right here, and the contract address. So all the links you're going to need are right here on this Twitter. And their webpage is skimaskpnut.meme. You can see it's a brand new project. Just joined Twitter November 2024. 281 followers so far. Blue verified checkmark. 289 posts. Now, if you wanted to get this token here, it's real easy to find the contract address right on the Twitter there. So you'll be able to get this token off of Uniswap. But first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, you go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter, you can find it on their webpage as well, you would trade your Base for the Skimask Pnut token using that contract address. Let's see, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. It looks like here 0% taxes, it says on their audit. So you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees though when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Right now there's 16.94 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 65,675,000 pooled Skinut tokens. Now, they have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener. It says marketing boost 200 lightning bolts add button there. So they're doing a good job of shilling the token out today. It's been working because it's up 300% right now, $1.3 million in 24-hour trading volume. They've had 45,744 transactions just today. Now, this token pair was created 2 days, 20 hours ago on Uniswap, so it's not even 3 days old yet. They have a couple quick audits here we're going to have a look at in a second. Right now, there's $124,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 99.78% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Token price is 0.0009 USD. And yeah, we'll go over their audits here in a second. On their webpage, it says, the squirrel is here for the nuts. In the heart of the Oakwood Forest, there lived a daring squirrel named Skimask Pnut, known for his quick wit and nimble paws. Pnut had a knack for outsmarting the forest's most secure nut banks. One crisp autumn morning, donning his signature black ski mask, he embarked on his most ambitious heist yet. With the vigilant owl guarding the patrolling area, Pnut managed to sneak past them and crack the vault wide open. As the golden acorn spilled out, Pnut could not help but chuckle, knowing that tonight the forest would feast like never before. So they have the contract address on their webpage, skimaskpnut.meme, and right underneath that they have the dev wallet, and it says dev wallet locked in UNCX vested locker for 30 days. Then they have a link to buy this token on Uniswap. They also have a link to buy it on Flu's Trade. So the latest sensation in the Memecoin universe, birthed from the wacky, whimsical corners of the internet, Skimask Pnut is not just a crypto, it's a movement, a culture filled with laughter, a dash of mischief, and yeah, so it's community driven and transparent. It's got the fun factor, and it's got growth and innovation. At the bottom of their webpage, they have links to Gecko Terminal, CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and a contact email. Lastly, there's a couple quick audits, one by GoPlus Security and one by Quick Intel Security on DEX Screener. And there's no issues on any of their audits, except for their token sniffer audit. It says they only got 80 out of 100. So just be aware of that. They don't have a perfect token sniffer audit. But yeah, so, anytime there's not a perfect audit, make sure you thoroughly review the project and check the audits. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.